The interstellar comet 3I Atlas, now barreling through the solar system at 60 kilometers per second and set to pass closest to Earth on the 19th of December, is extremely unlikely to be naturally occurring. That's the view of Harvard University astronomer Avi Loeb. Professor Loeb said the comet has 8 anomalies that, together, make a strong case against it simply being a natural comet. The arrival of 3I Atlas into our solar system was first spotted by astronomers on the 1st of July. Most scientists around the world have since concluded that it is a natural comet. Professor Loeb is the exception, insisting that the chances of it being alien technology are significant and real. The name 3I Atlas originated from the object's status as the third ever interstellar object, while Atlas came from the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, the network of robotic telescopes in Hawaii, Chile, and South Africa that first spotted it. Professor Loeb had studied the only 2 previous interstellar objects scientists have identified as entering our solar system. The 2I Borisov object was identified in August 2019 by astronomers in an observatory in Crimea. It displayed the features of a natural comet and was scientifically uncontroversial. Professor Loeb also found oddities with the 1I Oumuamua object, picked up in October 2017 by a telescope in Hawaii, suggesting a non-natural origin. However, he said not enough data was collected before it left the solar system to make any definitive claims. The exceptional brightness of this latest object suggests it has a diameter of 20 kilometers, thousands of times more massive than the 2 previous interstellar objects. For more on this and other stories, you can visit the Irish Independent.